With all of the different stickers and emoji and Genmoji in the Messages app on iOS 18, quite often you want to take them out of that app and use them elsewhere, maybe on a photograph that you've taken perhaps. And that's exactly what you can do using stickers. Maybe you've got a photo of your dog and you want to put a little bow on its collar as a sticker. Or maybe you want to put a locket flying through the sky above you or something like that. Or maybe you just want to put a nice warm hat on yourself in this photo. In fact, that's exactly what I'm going to do, because I was freezing when this picture was taken in London last week, and I wish I had a warm hat for that moment. All I'm going to do is edit the photo as normal by tapping the Edit button, and then on this screen I'm going to tap onto the pencil at the top, which brings up the markup drawing tools. From here you'll get the little toolbar of different drawing tools, but we don't actually want any of those. Instead, we want to use the plus button on the far right hand side. From here you can simply tap onto Add Sticker. From here you'll get the same interface that you get in the Messages app, where you can choose emoji and stickers and Genmoji. In fact, you can see my Genmoji here already. I made these in Messages earlier, and I quite like this teal hat. It feels very on brand for me. And I can simply tap on there, and it will place it on top of my image just like you'd expect. Of course, I can use the little dots in the corner to make it bigger or smaller, and I can use 2 fingers to rotate that sticker as well. There's no limit to how many stickers you can put on a photo, so I can add another one really quickly as well, perhaps this teal jumper, and again I can make it nice and big so it covers my body. On this one, I don't like that it looks like a sticker on top of me. You can't see that my neck is going through the jumper. It looks a bit fake. So I can actually delete it as well just as easily by tapping on it once and then pressing delete. Of course, when you're finished with your picture, you can press done on the top, and that will then save your stickers onto your photo. And then when you share that photo far and wide, it will have your stickers on top like you just chose. Of course, you can also revert this back to the original version of the photo, get rid of all those stickers completely should you want to, and you can do that in the Photos app by pressing the 3 dots in the top corner and then selecting Revert to Original. And just like that, it will put your photo back to how it was when you first took it. No stickers there anymore. And if you want more iPhone tips and tricks to help you make the most of your device, please do subscribe to my channel down below. I'll see you next time.